Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Merry Xmas to you guys in advance. Make quick breakfast with me. So let's start by preparing the egg mixture. Here I'm going to go ahead to crack my egg, then I'll pour them into my mixing bowl, and after that I'll add in my liquid milk. Next I will add in my sugar, white sugar, and also some salt. I'll add few drops of vanilla essence or vanilla extract. After that I'll use my whisk to mix everything together. So next I'm going to go ahead to use my pizza cutter to remove the edges of my sliced bread, which I'm going to be using for this recipe. You should do it exactly the way which I'm doing in this video. So next I'm going to place one of my slices of bread in my egg mixture. Then I'll use my spatula to make sure the bread soak well with the egg mixture. After that I'll place the second one on top of it. Then use my spatula to make sure it soak well with the egg mixture. Then I'll go ahead to use another spatula, making it two, to take out the slices of bread out of the egg mixture. So go ahead to repeat the same process with the remaining bread which you have left. And please guys, if you haven't joined my YouTube membership, please do join so that you will see all my exclusive video and also get other benefits that follows. So next, place your frying pan on your heat, then go ahead and place a little butter on the heat pan, and after that let it melt down. Next, go ahead to place the soaked pieces of bread onto your hot pan. So guys, go ahead to cook on the both sides of your bread toast until they turn golden brown. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per each side. So after like 3 minutes, I'm going to use my spatula to flip the bread toast to cook the other side. So guys, as you can see now, I'm done making my bread toast now. I'm going to go ahead to take them off the heat. Repeat the same process with the remaining bread. So guys, as you can see, this is what my bread toast look like after making them, and this is actually my first time of trying this recipe, and it came out very nice and delicious. So guys, you can as well enjoy this bread toast with some topping like honey and any other topping of your choice. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share this video, and also support my channel by sending me super thanks or super sticker. See you guys in my next video. Have a great day. Bye.